Early Social Security payments for your monthly Social Security checks. Social Security payments up to 4 weeks early. And yes, this one including people receiving Social Security benefits, any of your fixed income benefits, including Social Security, SSI, SSDI, survivors, retirement, and all the beneficiaries underneath the Social Security radar. Early payments for your monthly checks. Yes, you heard it right. There is a service which allows you to receive early payments where beneficiaries can request advance payment. This service is really helpful for the people who need it the most. And you know what? It's the current busy and uncertain time. This service will help those group of people who need the money before their scheduled payment as per the Social Security Administration. And sometimes you need your payments 1 day early, 2 days early, or sometimes you need even a week early, so you can satisfy your financial requirements. The brilliance of this service lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It directly addresses a pressing issue faced by all the fixed income beneficiaries, the timing of your payments, and it offers a practical solution to your financial challenges. By providing advance checks to the Social Security beneficiaries is essentially not just a service, it's a lifeline for those who rely on to their Social Security monthly payments as well as for their financial well-being. Now you might be wondering, what are the cons? Now you might be wondering, tell me all the hidden terms and conditions. Well, here's the thing. You don't need any charges, no fees, nothing of such kind. I'll be getting into the details what the service exactly mean for you, how you can get it, and definitely it's a significant step towards improving your financial lives of the fixed income beneficiaries. As this service is basically born out of a genuine understanding all kind of the challenges faced by the Social Security and fixed income beneficiaries. So without a further ado, let me deep dive into all the important details, what this service is all about, how it can make a positive impact, and how you can get it. I've got all the juicy details of the program, so let's jump right into all the details. Alright guys, so let's do a quick little question. Ask this question to the fixed income Social Security beneficiaries. Do you need your funds sooner or not? 98% of the people will definitely say yes, we need our funds sooner than later. Because here is the thing, the Social Security benefit payment schedule, even though the benefit payment schedule is evenly laid out, it is nicely organized in a chronological order for all the beneficiaries. But here is the thing, the struggle is real. Those people waiting to receive their Social Security checks, it can be really nail-biting experience. But don't worry, there is a new service in town that's about to change the game. What this service will do will provide you the early Social Security payment than the described Social Security payment schedule. Cool, isn't it? Typically, all the SSI recipients do receive their payment on 1st of the month. August is not an exception. All the SSI recipients did receive their payment. Speaking of the 3rd of the month, typically all those group of beneficiaries who received Social Security before May 1997 do receive their payment on 3rd of the month. And talking about those group of beneficiaries who receive their payment as per the birth date, if your birth date lies between 1st to 10th, then you'll be going to receive your payment on 9th of the August. If your birth date lies between 11th to 20th, you'll be going to receive your payment on 16th August. And if your birth date lies between 21st to 31st, you'll be going to receive it on 23rd August. Now that's the Social Security Administration's payment schedule. But here is the thing, but there is a new service in town that's about to change the game. Yes, you heard it right. You'll be going to receive your payments much earlier than the Social Security's payment schedule. Now before we get into the nitty-gritty details, the quick shout out, well, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe for all of these latest updates. Do me a favor, turn on all the bell notification so you can stay up to date on all the latest topics. And with that being said, let's deep dive into all the exciting details. Alright guys, so let's talk about this revolutionary service. Let me be clear, right over here, not a sponsored content. I'm right over here to provide you some great service that in my research I found out. And here is the thing guys, it's a groundbreaking service. I'm really excited to share with you, and trust me on that, it's got some serious potential and it could be game changer service for your financials. Alright, now picture this, a service which is designed for the fixed income low income beneficiaries in mind, addressing a very crucial financial issue. I mean, let's be real right over here. How many times you have thought, I wish I could get my social security funds just a bit earlier? It's not a specific group of people, those are talking about this specific issue, but it's a wide range of group of fixed income beneficiaries. All those group of people need their social security funds bit earlier. And that's where Charlie heard those wishes and decided to make them a reality. Well, let me introduce you to the fresh online banking service called Charlie. Now, this service got into my attention recently as I was doing some research, and here is the thing, guys. Charlie's mission is to give you a head start if you are a fixed income beneficiaries and you start receiving your direct deposit payments, your social security payments, then you can use the Charlie online banking account. They have got little surprise for you, and they will actually advance your checks to you. So here is the kicker. You see right over here, no fees, no interest. You can sign up right now today. They'll be going to advance your social security checks to you, and here is a kicker. Check this out. Social security payments up to 4 weeks early, and there is no fees, no interest. Imagine this. It's shortly after the beginning of the month, and while you're waiting for your regular social security payment, Charlie steps in and hand over you an advance payment, a prepayment or sort of. Check this out. You can unlock access to your social security payment as early as the first month by moving your social security direct deposit to your Charlie account. And when your first social security payment arrives, Charlie will give you the option to receive your social security payments as early as first of the each month with no fees or no interest. I mean, this is what we exactly wanted. Do let me know if this service sounds pretty awesome. As a social security beneficiaries, you are probably familiar with the payment schedule: first of the month, third of the month, and according to the birth date, beneficiaries receive their payment. Now raise your hands, how many of you need your money way earlier than these exact payment schedule? Well, definitely a tons and tons of people. And that's where Charlie shines. If your birthday happens to be, let's say, into the range of 11th to 20th of the month, then you'll be going to receive your payment on, let's say, 16th of the August. But that's usually you'll be going to receive your payment onto the third Wednesday. But here is the thing, you're stuck twiddling your thumbs until about half of the month, but not anymore, because you can sign up for the Charlie. Charlie gives you the option to receive your payment right now. So if you are facing a tight spot, you can make a request for an advance payment and think of it as a helping hand, exactly what you need at the moment. No more awkward conversation with your friends. You don't need to ask for the money to your friends and families. You can just ask the Charlie to receive your social security funds earlier than expected. Now, here is the cool part, guys. A week or two after the first of the month, you can swing to the Charlie's digital door and simply ask for the cash. They have got your back. They'll be going to provide you advance funds, clicking right over here, and it's pretty awesome, right? Now, once again, this is not a sponsored video. I'm genuinely excited about this innovative concept, which can elevate a financial stress for many of the people after a month of the usage. However, guys, hold up before you rush up to sign in for the service, sign up for the service, because you should do your own research. You should read all the terms and conditions before signing up to any service. Make sure to read all the terms and conditions, man. Make sure it aligns with your needs and aligns with your safety first. And speaking of the safety, it's got advanced fraud protection and it's FDIC insured, so your savings are safe and secure because your deposit of up to $250,000 are insured through the partner bank, certain bank member FDIC. So their early social security advances. Imagine having a freedom to access your funds when you really need it the most. It's like having your financial superhero on speed dial. No more waiting for your payments, no more stress. And plus it's FDIC insured, so you can be stress free. So guys, go through the terms and conditions, read all the details before signing up for the Charlie account, and do let me know what do you think about this service. Make sure to hit that like if you like this service, share this video, subscribe to your friends and families. And this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.